do. And if you're new here, thank you for coming. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for being loyal. By now, a lot of y'all would have known that my first channel got hacked. Yeah, and I had to start all over again. So this is gonna be like a starting over process, and I'm basically just gonna give you guys facts about me for those who don't know about me or wasn't subscribed before. So my name is Shanique. I am from Jamaica. I am currently 23 years old. I'll be 24 in November. My birthday is on the 1st. I currently work in the BPO industry as a team manager. I used to be a quality analyst. I own my own business. The name of my business is Twisted Steals, and basically what I do is I sell jewelry, like body jewelry, so tongue rings, piercings, that type of stuff. I don't know why I'm nervous. This is my second channel. This channel is gonna be a little bit different. I want to do this one a lot better than I did my first. So yeah, it was disheartening losing my first channel because I worked so hard to get it to 1,000 subscribers, and I was actually gaining more supporters and building up my whole brand and my channel. And then shit happened. A hater happened. So a lot of people want to know what exactly happened. So I woke up one morning and I received an email stating that someone tried to access my Gmail account. So it wasn't the YouTube at first. Someone tried to hack the Gmail account. So I changed my password immediately. Went to work. At work I don't really get to use my phone, so after work ended and I left work, I got a notification again that my account was like someone changed the password. And then when I checked the YouTube, when I finally got back into it, the YouTube was completely deleted. I tried sending an email to Google and they declined it. They said they're basically just not giving me back my channel after all that hard work. So of course I was really like devastated and depressed and stressed and like just like in a state of mind where I was like, oh my god, I can't do this. Really didn't want to start over at first, but then there were people who just kept saying, go for it, we love your videos, you should just make a new channel and we'll support you. So I actually do love making YouTube videos, so I decided I'm just gonna start over. Hopefully I'll get people who will still support me. And speaking of supporting, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do so now, and make sure you like and share this video so I'll get more subscribers. I just wanted to say welcome back, guys, and to my new subscriber, welcome. So I'll be doing a lot of things on this channel, a lot of new stuff. Usually on my old channel I did hair tutorials, story times. Of course, for people who love that stuff, my old subscribers, I'll still have that. Plus I'm coming up with new stuff. So I'm coming up with challenges, I'm gonna have pranks, so it won't just be me on this channel like it was on my old channel. It will be me and friends, family, etc. So yeah. Oh, if you guys want to check out my business page, I will leave it in the description below. I'll put all my social media handles in the description below as well. Thank you guys for supporting me, really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next video.
Want to shuffle me shuffle, you're still a queen in the deck. Queen in the deck, queen in the deck, girl, yeah.